this is vampvivid. Oh my gosh, my stomach. From eating sriracha and chimichanga yesterday. The chimichanga and sriracha is so good together. It's like you can't resist. But dang, sriracha is giving me a stomach ache. But my boyfriend got a sushi from Sushi Grill. Yeah, this is like 8 plates of California rolls, you guys. This is my boyfriend ordered this. Yeah. This cucumber salad is always a must for us. Wait, I thought he got more for himself. This doesn't sound right. Twilight, can I see your outfit? So I put my glasses on the window pane and Twilight freaking knocked it over. She could have break my glasses, but good thing I woke up on time. My boyfriend made her like a playpen right here. That's nice of him. He's not here right now. He went to go to his friend's house. Well, coworker, Will. Me and her were both sick, coughing like crazy. Phlegm cough. She's had this sickness before when she was like 1 month old, and then 3 months old, and 6 months old. Yeah. I think she got it from me. Because before I had her, I've been having phlegm issue. You got it from me? Yeah, that's her 5th apple right now. Good job, Twilight. You need some vitamins. Whoop, why are you coughing a lot? Shh. Where's phlegm cough? Oh my gosh, she sounds like she's gonna puke. Gosh. Oh my gosh. My poor baby. She's worse than me. You're Timo though, Mupo. You were playing Timo hat, thought you wanted to wear it. You were like, Mom, this is my hat now. No? Okay. Just want to play with the bottle. Butthole. You know how we eat California rolls just for lunch? I don't know. Sometimes I get so tired of the spicy mayo, and then I don't know. I think it's just California rolls in general. I used to like California rolls, but now it's just like I thought I was craving for it, so I ate it. I was like all happy, but I guess it was last night only, because this morning I was just like, Shouldn't have told my boyfriend we shouldn't go. I'm more craving for a pho. That's what I really want. But lately I haven't been having appetite because I'm, you know, sick. Oh, where's my phone? Where's your phone? My phone? Where's your phone, Mopo? Look at Twilight. Enjoying her little book. I cleaned the floor a bit because I don't know, there are times where I swear I am not lazy. That I don't, it's kind of sad if I say I wasn't motivated to clean. It's just my mind is just elsewhere. I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, but I have to vacuum the floor though. I'm not sure why she's so still when this music plays. Upo, are you okay? Upo, are you okay? Upo, what's wrong? If you guys ever wonder why I don't record much of the playtime with her, that's because I'm playing with her and I don't vlog that. See, at least I'm spending time with her. People would be like, oh, you're recording her too much. You're not even playing with her. How do you know that? Oh, shoot. Yeah, I'm gonna put, do you want more? Sure, boom, boom, boom. It's a new day when you have a new outfit on. It's 1211, but I am doing this on the 1210 vlog. Yeah, you cried. Whoople, you cried. Tears, no tears. Because she doesn't drink water, I gave her Vita Coco for hydration. And this is what we gave her when she was sick last time too. Yeah. I applied cypress oil and cypress and thief. So a lot of people thought it could be bronchitis, but bronchitis is contagious. My boyfriend could have gotten it too. Although she did cough in my face and I did get it, but I don't think it's bronchitis. I don't know, you guys. My mom's side runs in bronchitis, so it is possibility, I guess. But she's been having this issue, the phlegm issue, for a while now, since when she was a baby. So me too. I've always had phlegm issue. What? Yeah, she really likes this, you guys. If you guys are wondering where we got this, it's from IKEA. I'm not sure if they sell it anymore though. Most likely they do. Yeah. If you're new to this channel, she is 2 years old. Let's see, she turned 2 Halloween. Her birthday was in Halloween. I showered last night and I was hoping to go to downtown to just, you know, celebrate 1211. But I usually go out when it's 1211, but today, because we're both sick, we just decided to stay home. Yeah, anyways, thank you for watching my video. Guys, good night, good morning, good afternoon, bye! Should have her worn that glove. I just couldn't find it. Dropped because of I was watching Twins twice and they're both red. I was hoping this to be orange because Pumbaa. I was like, Twilight, smile, smile. Oh my gosh, cut to the cheeks. Like it just keeps like leading on. Supposed to come around 6 or 7 after the traffic dies down, but was the first place? Was she? I think she was. 아빠 왜 안 들어요? 아빠 차 세우는. What do you say? Jesus Christ? She looked like Jesus. It smells like ammonia. I've never had my pee smell like that before. Bye, Mopa. Bye. You gonna come down? Oh, are you leaving me? 엄마한테 와. 엄마한테 와. Come here. What are you looking for, Twilight? You would want to go upstairs. Where are you going? Huh? Don't want to trust outside. Here, Daddy. I hear Daddy. How is it, Twilight? You like it? The sweet potato frying?